Hi, my name is Ricardo, and last night I went to Michelle Alva's Intro To Tantra workshop, which is at the Standard Hotel and Spa on the Venetian Causeway near the beach. And first of all, you have an amazing workshop, and then afterwards you get access to the spa, which is amazing. It has a steam room, has a sauna, has these amazing showers, has like this freezing room that's really cool to go between there and between the hot rooms. So the workshop was amazing. At first, we started off learning how to be present, be in the moment, get into our senses. And Michelle has different techniques that she uses to do that. And then we partner up with somebody. And by the way, you don't have to go with a partner. It's for singles and for couples. So, if you want to partner up with someone, you can. And we did some exercises. We did this eye gazing exercise, which is awesome. And for me, it was a person that I didn't know, and at first it feels a little awkward. You're sitting there across from someone, you're eye gazing, and after a few minutes of just eye gazing, you kind of feel like you know the person just from looking in their eyes, and it increases intimacy with the person, and you feel like you know them. And just imagine doing that with a partner and practicing this with a partner. So Tantra is amazing. It's changed my life. Looking into this subject, for me, I struggled with sometimes like being in my head, and this really teaches you how to get into your body and enjoy the pleasures of life, and enjoy being in your creative sexual energy and be in flow. So if you are looking into Tantra and you are interested in learning about it, I highly recommend coming to this event at the Standard Spa. I'm sure Michelle will be doing it more in the future. And it's just an amazing experience. It's about 3 hours long, the entire experience, with the workshop and the spa access afterwards. And for the money, you just can't beat it. So I highly recommend you come, and you will learn so much about how to remove blocks to intimacy that are blocking you from connecting with a partner, blocking you from connecting with yourself, and just blocking you from connecting with people in general. And just we all have these sometimes blocks to intimacy, and it really just helps you to break through those. So highly recommend you go to her workshop.